Welcome back to another private pilot vlog. Hope you're all well, and thank you for all my new subscribers. If you haven't subscribed already, please click on the link below. So today I'm taking a short flight over to Coventry, which is just about 10 minutes away from Wellesbourne. My wife is heavily pregnant, so I'm not allowed to go too far. So today my friend Laura's coming up with me, and we're just going to have a cup of coffee in Coventry and check out some of the aircraft and come back. But Coventry is just under the Birmingham Airspace, so it should be an interesting flight. Let's go.
Golf Mike Oscar, thank you. Report downwind 36 left. Report downwind 36 left, Mike Oscar. Well, confirmation, Golf Bravo Alpha Hotel Foxtrot. Golf Hotel Foxtrot, Wellesbourne information. Good morning, readability 5, pass your message.
Good morning, just parts officer to take flight. See people on board, request airfield information and taxi to flight to Coventry, please.
Golf Hotel Foxtrot, taxi across 05 to holding point Echo for 36 left hand. The QNH is 1011.
Cross 05 Echo, 36 left hand, 1011, Golf Hotel Foxtrot.
Hey. You ever been to Coventry before? Well, Coventry Airport anyway.
No.
I didn't think you would have.
New experience.
I thought you hung out at Coventry Airport all the time.
I made her after today.
Apparently they do a good cuppa anyway, so.
I've got the important bits ticked off then.
Think so.
Golf Hotel Fox holding Echo ready for departure.
Golf Hotel Foxtrot, hold position please.
Hold position, Golf Hotel Foxtrot.
That's one.
And Golf Hotel Foxtrot, report lined up runway 36.
Lining up, Golf Hotel Foxtrot.
You okay?
Yeah.
Anytime you do not feel well or want to come back, just give me a shout, okay?
Yeah.
Golf Hotel Foxtrot, runway 36, takeoff is your discretion. The surface wind 0305 knots.
Golf Hotel Foxtrot.
Golf Sierra Papa, downwind 36, let's go.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Golf Sierra Papa, thank you. Report final, one reported ahead. Golf Sierra Papa. Golf Echo.
Evidence in the green. Airspeed's alive.
Two passengers on board, but circuits over.
Hey, and up we go.
Golf Echo Oscar, the chipmunk coming from your right is going into the fuel bay. Once it's passed, taxi across 05 to holding point Echo. The 36 left hand, the QNH is the QFE is 1006.
Runway 36, holding point Echo, crossing 05, circuit left hand, QFE 1006, Golf Echo Oscar.
Don't get the chins in. Oh.
Bravo Kilo, final, touch and go. Golf Bravo Kilo, runway 36, touch and go at your discretion. The surface wind 0305 knots. Roger, Golf Bravo Kilo.
We'll really quickly come across Warwick Castle. So we'll try and keep it this high, I think. So we're heading directly towards it at the moment. I think I can make it out actually already. So I'm just going to move it to left. So you got a bit of green. You got a couple of green fields.
Yeah.
And you
Oh,
the
I
castle.
can see it.
Yeah. And then you got the race course on the left, Warwick race course. Cool, isn't it? I've never actually been to Warwick race course though.
I've been, but I completely go now.
Good.
They're really good actually.
It looks great, doesn't it? Pretty cool, doesn't it? Okay, so we're just heading towards the cement works. Over this way. We have to call it Coventry. Coventry's just over there though, you see. But it's so close, the airport there.
Okay.
Golf Hotel Fox is changing to Coventry Radio 123.82. Golf Hotel Foxtrot to Coventry. Are you landing away at Coventry?
Yeah, landing away, we'll be back in an hour or so.
Thank you.
Coventry Radio, Golf Bravo Alpha Hotel Foxtrot.
Golf Bravo Alpha Hotel Foxtrot Coventry Radio, good morning.
Good morning, PA28 just from Wellesbourne, inbound to yourself. Currently 1400 feet on 1011 above the cement works. Request join instructions.
Golf Hotel Foxtrot, runway 05 right hand, QNH 101 also, and the circuit is active.
05 right hands and 1011 Golf Hotel Foxtrot.
I'm at 22, departing zone to the southeast.
I'm at 22, roger.
Just going to descend down a little bit.
I'm at 32, vacating.
I'm at 32, roger. Break Golf Sierra Hotel, want to vacate, the wind is 020 degrees 08 knots.
Roger, lining up a short backtrack to Bravo Golf Sierra Hotel.
Golf Sierra Hotel, roger.
Coventry Radio, Golf Hotel Fox, I'd like to join right base for 05, right hand.
Golf Hotel Foxtrot, roger.
Any other traffic in the circuit? Golf Hotel Foxtrot.
Golf Hotel Foxtrot, the circuit traffic actually just landed circuit, now inactive.
Perfect, thank you. Okay, we just start to descend down a little bit. See the runway there that we're going to go on.
Golf Sierra Hotel, taking off 05.
Wind is 020 degrees 07 knots, no reported traffic.
Roger, taking off Golf Sierra Hotel.
Golf Hotel Foxtrot, turning short final for 05.
Golf Hotel Foxtrot, wind is 010 degrees 06 knots, a AC11 just on the climb out.
It is a slightly bigger runway than Coventry, than Wellesbourne. Okay, so the two white LED lights and the two red mean they're at the right height, which is good. So then.
Coventry Radio, Almat 3505, right hand, QNH 1011 copied, and we're ready for departure.
Almat 35 information correct, I do have a PA28 on very short finals for landing, the wind is 010 degrees 06 knots.
Taxi and holding Bravo 1, Almat 35.
Welcome to Coventry.
Almat 35 rolling.
020 degrees 08.
Hi there, you okay?
And you brought her home.
Have I brought her home? I know, yeah, of course, she's based here. Thank you for watching. If you've got this far, please subscribe to my channel by clicking on my face and hit the notification bell for more videos coming very soon.